Pastor F. Mutsakani from Zimbabwe. Are you excited for this year's VWOW conference that is kickstarting at Lalapansi, Zimbabwe on the 11th to the 14th of August? And we are also going to have these conferences in Namibia, Botswana, South Africa, and the UK. Our lives are going to be transformed. Germs that have been disturbing our peace, our joy, our health are going to fall. You would not want to miss this conference. Do you have your VWOW regalia? Do you have your cap? Do you have your sun hat? Do you have your umbrella? Because you are going to hold sport. Do you have your sweater too? Because it's going to be cold one of these days. And we have more and more in stock. For more information about this conference, please follow the details on the screen. See you there.